It's us. We're about to do a taste test on Universal Yums.
Alright, let's open that box up and see where it's from. So we got Belgium. So let's look at an interesting fact. So Belgium is world famous for chocolate and its waffles. Look at that. Let's see, maybe we'll have some good chocolate in here. And of course, stickers. How cute. This is too picky. See it picking its nose? That one's cute. And then, of course, we have rules of how we write things. Also in the book, it shows what's in the package and kind of talks about it. So the first thing we're going to do is, it says chocolate seashells with hazelnut cream filling. This is what it looks like in the book. Yeah, but the first pages are just like things about it and questions. All right. Ooh, this is cute. Look at the box. All right. I got the box open. So, let's try it. Well, I said we got the box open. Get the wrapper off. And there's another wrapper. Look at the seashells. Aren't they so cute? All right, let's try one. I'll get this one. Which one do you want? Lane's gonna try it too. Here's what mine looks like. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Milk chocolate and shot. I'm pretty good. I like it. Sorry. I like them. Very chocolatey though. Super cute. Super good though. So, I rate it a 10. What do you rate it, Layton?
A 9.
A 9? What do you rate it?
I'll give it a 10.
Yeah, those are good then. All right. So the next thing is
Violet flavored soured hard candies.
It talks about. Let's see. Here's the package. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here.
Sour. You think they're sour?
They're really sour.
No, not that sour.
They're really, really good though. But
Not that sour.
I couldn't keep it in my mouth that long. All right. You still trying to eat it? Is it sour?
It was pretty sour.
It's pretty sour. Is it good?
It doesn't really have much flavor besides the sour.
I like it. I give it a 10. I give it a 10. Layton, what do you give it?
A 7.
A 7.
Sour's a 10, but overall is like 5.
So you want to meet in the middle?
I
Or
did 5.
5, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now that we are done with those, the next is milk chocolate bar filled with raspberry yogurt. I don't think this is, I'm not for sure about this, but it is packaged very cute. It's very cute. See it? That's just my nails too. All right. He does not like yogurt. He does not like raspberry.
No.
So, I don't think he's going to like it. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to like it very much. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Got to know. The chocolate's good.
We're back.
You had to spit it out. Did you like it?
No.
What do you rate it?
0.
I'm going to rate it a 3. The chocolate was good. What do you rate it? 3? Layton finished it.
I'm the only one that tells the truth around here.
It wasn't that bad. I would never want to eat it again, though. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Mustard and pickle flavored potato chips. I love pickle flavored potato chips. I love pickle flavor anything.
With mustard?
Well, that's where I'm kind of concerned.
I don't like pickles or mustard.
Smell them.
No.
It smells
No.
like pickles
No.
and mustard. It literally smells like pickles.
No.
You have to try one. Here, I'll give you a smaller one. Here.
It's even like mustard yellow.
It literally smells exactly like pickles and mustard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's good. Oh my god. I would eat this whole bag. That is delicious. I like it. I'm rating it a 10. You?
A 4.
See, he's looking at him to see what he's going to say.
I haven't really even
3.
had those.
3. Hey, that's better than the chocolate. Okay.
So much.
That's good. Y'all should order those. Those are really good. Okay. Gouda cheese and pepper biscuits. I'm concerned about this because the last thing we had, they were like little biscuit things.
Yeah.
They were not good. Here's the package. Oh, I forgot to show you the package of the chips. That's what that looks like.
The last thing was like powder in your mouth.
Yep. Yeah. They were not good. You had to spit them out.
The package is telling us no. So, we'll see.
Oh, they're cute.
Yeah, the last ones were too.
The last ones we had to all spit out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Those are good. That's like a soft Cheez-It.
I don't like cheeses.
Okay, I like them. These I rate these at 12. Those are 12.
We only go to 10.
Well, it doesn't matter. I rated 12 because I gave bonus points. I'm going to eat that and the chips later. What do you rate it?
A 7. I kind of like it.
I'll take the 2 off yours, so I'll do like -2.
Whatever. Okay.
You can't.
Last
overdo it.
one. Let's try these. I love apples. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Not that bad.
No. Okay.
It's
0,
like you bit into a tree.
2. That's it. 2.
9.
9.
I like it.
3.
3. Okay, that's it. Join us next time we have these. Bye.